Hey there, shop owners. Have you ever wondered how to make your customers smile and spend more? We will introduce to you a powerful promotion tool called Free Gift Offer. With this feature, you can increase conversion rate by encouraging customers to make purchases, enhance customer experience and satisfaction by offering added value, drive repeat purchases and foster brand loyalty. Here is how a free gift looks like in your store. A customer adds an item to their cart, and bam! They suddenly see a free gift included. How awesome is that? Suddenly, they're not just browsing, they're hitting that checkout button with a smile. Do free gifts make your customer happy? Definitely, yes. It adds value to the shopping experience, and leaves your customers feeling like they just scored a big win. And in the setup portal, you can easily create a free gift offer in minutes. First, you could set it automatically or manually to be added to your customer's cart. And then, choose your free gift product. There are plenty of limit settings to help you configure the offer behavior as you wish. You could also try many other advanced settings for your free gift offer. Remember, happy customers lead to happy wallets. So head over to the Shopify App Store and download the Qikify BOGO and free gift app now.